Welcome to Smart Myths. Today, we will be talking about standard form of linear equations, slope-intercept form, and point-slope form. First, let's remind ourselves what a linear equation is. Linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. The equation combines constants and variables, which gives a straight line when plotted on the graph. In our past videos, we talked about one variable and two variable linear equations, which you should be familiar with by now. Check the description below for the links if you need to refresh. Now, let's first examine the standard form of writing linear equations. For a two-variable linear equation, which is our focus in this video, the standard form can be written as hey x plus by equals c. For example, 8x plus 5y equals 13, where a, b, and c are real numbers, and a and b are the coefficients of x and y. A and b cannot be zero together. One has to be non-zero, while x and y are variables. Usually, x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. We can also express a one-variable linear equation in standard form as hey x equals b. For example, 2x equals 3. It is important to know that standard form is another form of writing slope-intercept form and point-slope form of linear equation. Let's take a quick look at slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form of linear equation is written as y equals mx plus b, where m equals slope, which is also known as rise over run. It measures how fast y changes with respect to x. Think steepness. B equals y-intercept, which is a point where the graph touches the y-axis. When you plot the linear equation on a graph, x and y are variables, y is dependent, while x is independent. Now, let's discuss point-slope form. Point-slope form is an equation of any straight line with a given slope and passing through a fixed point. This means that we can derive an equation of a line using the slope, m of the line, between the fixed point x1, y1, and any arbitrary point xy on the line, and express it as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of a fixed point. X, y is a random point on the line, and m is the slope of the line. It is easy to turn the slope-intercept form or the point-slope form into the standard form. This is done by just simply rearranging the equation. Let's look at some examples. You may be asked to convert 20x plus 4y equals 16 into a slope-intercept form. First, it will be good to identify which form of equation you're provided in the question, which in this case is in the standard form. Then, we recall that the slope-intercept form of linear equation can be written as y equals mx plus b. Our goal is to arrange the equation such that the format will be in the slope-intercept form. That is, y on one side of the equation by itself, and the terms containing x and constant on the other side. Now, rearranging the given equation, 20x plus 4y equals 16. To get y by itself on one side of the equation, we first need to subtract 20x from both sides. To get 20x plus 4y minus 20x equals minus 20x plus 16. By calculating, we have 4y equals minus 20x plus 16. We will divide through by 4. We have 4y divided by 4 equals minus 20x divided by 4 plus 16 divided by 4. 4y divided by 4 equals y, minus 20x divided by 4 equals minus 5x. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. So, we have y equals minus 5x plus 4. We now have the equation given transformed to the slope-intercept form. Easy, right? Let's take a look at another example. Convert y minus 2 equals 5 times x plus 3 into a standard form. We can see that the given equation is in the point-slope form. Then, we recall that the standard form of linear equation can be written as hey x plus by equals c. Now, given y minus 2 equals 5 times x plus 3, we start by opening the parentheses on the right to have y minus 2 equals 5x plus 15. Next, we rearrange the terms such that terms with the variables are on one side, while the constant is on the other side, by itself. To get y on one side of the equation, we add to both sides. We have y minus 2 plus 2 equals 5x plus 15 plus 2, which gives y equals 5x plus 17. Now, let's move 5x to the side where we have y by subtracting 5x from both sides. Doing that, we have y minus 5x equals 5x plus 17 minus 5x. Then, y minus 5x equals 17. Rearranging to give minus 5x plus y equals 17. Hence, a equals minus 5, b equals 1, and c equals 17. Let's do some practice work. 1. How do we express the standard form of a linear equation? You can pause the video to give it a try. Correct answer to question 1 is, the standard form of linear equations is given by hey x plus by equals c, where a, b and c are integers, x and y are variables. 2. Convert the equation below into a slope-intercept form, x plus 4y equals 16. You can pause the video to give it a try. Answer to question 2 is, y equals minus 1 over 4x plus 4. 3. Convert the equation below into a standard form, y equals 15 minus 3x. You can pause the video to give it a try. Correct answer is 3x plus y equals 15. See you next time. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. Smart Myths. Be the smartest.